Good evening, sir. I'm Justin Banoy from BSIT 3B. Then, ang gagawin po natin is output-based examination. Examination focus on SQL, queries, and sample data mining demonstration. Ang first na gagawin natin is retrieve all primary products from the database, organize them based on size. Kasi pupunta tayo sa query, then ilalagay natin yung codes, then submit. Then dito lalabas kung yung kinul natin yung size. Then ito yung lumabas na output. Next is obtain products set to expire in August from the product table. Then punta tayo sa query. Then lagay natin yung codes. Then submit queries. So dito nakaset na yung ganun natin yung expiration from August. Ito yung output. Then ang next naman is calculate the total sales from the product cart table including product name, size, and quantity. So punta tayo sa query, then so ayun, nakita nyo naman yung output na calculate product sales at nakalagay din ng mga names ng mga specific product. Then next is task 4. Next naman is yung task 4, which is yung retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. Then punta tayo sa query, then type natin yung codes. So yun, yung output niya is nakaset na yung sale na dapat na depende sa date. Then next is task 5, determine the number of entries in the product cart table. So dito punta tayo sa query, then type natin yung codes, submit query. So dito kita nyo naman yung total entries na na-obtain niya is 11. Ito yung kanyang output. Ito. Then thank you, I'm Justin Banoy from BSIT 3B. Salamat sa panonood.